Wood has long been a cherished material in home decor, celebrated not only for its undeniable aesthetic appeal, but also for its versatility and sustainability. In modern home decor trends, wood continues to reign supreme, adapting to contemporary designs while providing a warm, inviting atmosphere. The benefits of using wood in home decor extend beyond mere appearances. They encompass aspects of comfort, durability, environmental sustainability, and emotional well-being. One of the most significant advantages of incorporating wood into modern home decor is its natural beauty. The unique grain patterns and warm tones of wood create an organic feel that effortlessly enhances any interior space. Unlike synthetic materials, which can often appear sterile and impersonal, wood brings life to a room. The variations in color, texture, and grain make each piece unique, contributing to a sense of authenticity and character in the home. Whether used as flooring, paneling, cabinetry, or decorative accents, wood has an innate ability to enrich the aesthetic dimension of living spaces, striking a balance between elegance and comfort. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unique wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas you never knew you need for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to its visual appeal, wood plays a crucial role in fostering a sense of warmth and comfort. Incorporating wood into our homes acts as a counterbalance, grounding us and reconnecting us with the natural world. Biophilic design, which emphasizes the human-nature connection, is becoming increasingly popular in interior decorating. Wooden elements, be it beams, flooring, wall paneling, or decorative accents, bring the essence of the outdoors inside, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility. Research supports the idea that natural materials, including wood, can improve mental well-being and reduce stress, thus making wood a beneficial element in home environments. Sustainability is another critical aspect of why wood is finding its way back into modern home decor. In an era where environmental consciousness is paramount, choosing wood, especially when sourced responsibly, becomes a powerful statement about sustainable living. Many manufacturers are now prioritizing ethically harvested timber, ensuring that the wood used in decor originates from sustainable forests. This not only helps to preserve the environment, but also supports local economies and communities that rely on sustainable forestry practices. By selecting wood as a primary decor material, individuals can seamlessly integrate their design choices with their values, making a meaningful statement about their commitment to sustainability. Moreover, wood's versatility allows it to fit seamlessly into various decor styles, from rustic and farmhouse aesthetics to sleek, modern environments. It works harmoniously with a palette of materials, including metals, glass, and stone, allowing designers and homeowners to create cohesive looks. This adaptability makes wood a straightforward choice for those who wish to change up their interiors without undergoing a complete overhaul. Adding wooden elements can provide a fresh perspective, enhancing existing decor effortlessly. The durability of wood should also not be overlooked. When properly cared for, wood can last for decades, even generations, making it a wise investment in home decor. Unlike many synthetic materials that may degrade or become less appealing over time, well-crafted wooden items age gracefully, often becoming even more beautiful with time. The patina that develops on wood surfaces can add character and richness, telling a story of use and love. In this way, wood holds sentimental value, often becoming heirlooms that connect generations within a family. Another benefit of using wood in home decor lies in its positive impact on indoor air quality. Many wood species possess natural properties that can help purify the air. For instance, they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Additionally, wood surfaces can help regulate humidity, which is essential for maintaining comfort and protecting the structure of the home. By incorporating wood, homeowners not only elevate the aesthetics of their spaces, but also invest in their health and comfort. In modern homes, the trend toward open living spaces has transformed the way we think about decor. Wood plays a pivotal role in defining these spaces, offering a natural way to delineate areas without resorting to physical barriers. Wooden beams or columns can create a sense of structure and flow in large, open designs, while wooden shelving or partitions can provide warmth and personality. The seamless integration of wood into these spaces creates an inviting atmosphere that encourages social interaction and connectivity, making it an ideal choice for contemporary living. As we continue to explore contemporary design, the idea of layering materials is paramount. Wood serves as a foundation upon which other design elements can be built. For instance, pairing wood with textiles, such as soft linens, plush rugs, and cozy throws, creates an inviting ambience that feels safe and comforting. This layering creates a tactile experience that enhances the aesthetic while also inviting relaxation and peace. Furthermore, the craftsmanship associated with woodworking has gained renewed appreciation. In an age of mass production, consumers are becoming increasingly drawn to handmade items that tell a story and embody individuality. Bespoke wooden furniture and decor pieces showcase the skill and artistry of artisans, creating a unique character that mass-produced items cannot replicate. This movement towards artisanal craftsmanship reflects a broader trend in home decor, a desire for authenticity and personal connection to the items we choose to incorporate into our homes. Woodworking, particularly the creation of unique and handcrafted pieces, fosters a strong sense of community. Many crafters enjoy the camaraderie of fellow artisans, sharing techniques, tips, and experiences. Online forums, local maker groups, and woodworking associations are excellent places to connect with like-minded individuals who share a passion for the craft. This community spirit can be motivating and supportive, providing a network of people who understand the challenges and rewards of pursuing a creative business. It can also serve as a source of inspiration, helping crafters push the boundaries of their work and explore new ideas. Wood has a timeless appeal. It is an organic substance that naturally ages over time, and this patina adds character and charm to wooden items. As a product ages, it often becomes more beautiful and valuable, especially when it is well cared for. This longevity makes wooden crafts an appealing investment for buyers who know that their purchases will last for years and often become cherished family heirlooms passed down through generations. The fact that wooden crafts can age gracefully and maintain their beauty only adds to their appeal as a profitable venture. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas you never knew you need for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.